Welcome back to my channel. Matagal nang hiwalay ang mag-asawa. Pwede na ba magpaanal o pwede na bang magpakasal ulit? Ikikwento ko lang sa inyo yung bagong case decided by the Supreme Court. Ito yung Leonora Lanuza versus Alfredo Lanuza. But before that, I have published my ebook. So ito yung cover page niya and I believe na maraming matutulungan itong librong ito. Ito yung mga taong kailangan magdesisyon sa kanilang career. So, ang introductory price lang nito is 100 pesos. Just follow the steps in the description. Very simple lang. You just send to GCash number. Andiyan na yan sa description. Then once paid, padala nyo lang yung proof of payment doon sa aking email, which is lawyer.courses@gmail.com. Then after nun, saka ko sa inyo papadala yung copy ng ebook. So syempre, may copyright yun. Do not reproduce my book. Back to the case of Leonora Lanuza. Dito sa case na to, si Leonora Lanuza and si Alfredo, they were married in June 1984. Then over time, itong si Alfredo changed his behavior. Si Alfredo hindi nagsusustento sa kanyang pamilya, and itong si Alfredo, while married to Leonora, he engaged in extramarital affairs. Nagpakasal pa siya sa iba habang kasal pa siya kay Leonora. Leonora then filed a petition for the declaration of nullity of marriage based on the absence of marriage license and psychological incapacity. Itong case na to, nung nakarating na sa Supreme Court, the Supreme Court declared the nullity of their marriage. And it was due to Alfredo's psychological incapacity. So mapaliwanag ko lang sa inyo, ano ba itong psychological incapacity? So itong psychological incapacity, makikita nyo yan sa Article 36 of the Family Code. Basta itong psychological incapacity na to, hindi ito insanity. Ito ay hindi mental incapacity or insanity, and hindi rin to personality disorder. I will show what the court said. I-pause nyo na lang para mabasa nyo. In simple terms, yung asawa mo, hindi niya maintindihan ano ang responsibilidad niya bilang asawa o magulang, at hindi niya magampanan ang mga responsibilidad niya. Itong psychological incapacity also needs to be proved na nag-e-exist siya even prior to your marriage. In one case, psychological incapacity must be characterized by the seriousness or yung gravity. Kailangan din incurable siya, and dapat nga nag-e-exist siya prior to the marriage. For example, nung bata pa o yung estudyante pa yung asawa mo, lumaki siya sa broken family. Kaya siya naging insensitive and selfish. Nadala niya ngayon yung mga traits na yan sa inyong marriage. So in this case, as found by the Supreme Court, Alfredo never gave financial support to his children. And in fact, Alfredo only visited his children only once and for less than an hour. Alfredo's infidelity, lack of support for his wife and children, and unjustified absence from the family indicate that he does not understand the responsibilities of a husband and a father. So this case answers the question na pag matagal na bang hiwalay at lumayas na ang asawa mo na wala namang justifiable reasons, pwede na bang magpaanal o pwede na bang magpakasal ulit? So that ends our topic today. Please like this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit that notification bell icon para ma-notify kayo ng mga next videos ko na i-upload. Thank you very much.